Today we are bringing you to a home in Kalekana, just a few kilometers out of Suva City. We have come to this home because we've heard some stories about a family in desperate need with a number of things that we take for granted, the basic needs of life. And we have decided to go on this journey and take you on this journey to speak to this special woman. She's from Fiji, born and raised here in the capital city, born at CWM Hospital, has two kids. One is 17, one is 6 years old. The 17-year-old daughter is currently in year 8, just finishing year 8. Because of circumstances, she's not at the right level of education as a 17-year-old should be. Her second daughter, her youngest daughter, is in year 1. And they want the best in life. They ask their mom every day for the best in life. Today, Fijivillage takes you on a journey of Janifa Bibi. She's sitting right here with me. Good afternoon, Janifa.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you for allowing us to come to your home.
You're welcome.
It is raining today,
Yes.
and I know for many people rain is always a bother. Some people say it's a good thing. For some, it's always worrying when rain comes. So first of all, Janifa, tell us about yourself. You live here in Kalekana. You are a single mother due to circumstances that are out of your control. Tell people what you're going through.
I'm facing a lot of problem in my life. My house it's not good, and my kids always complain, Mom, we have to do something about this house. Like when it's rain, it's like always leaking. So yeah.
You're staying in one room with, I can see there's a lot of holes in the roof, you have holes in the floor.
Yes.
How have you come about to this situation? Your parents, you said, gave you this room to live in, and how are you surviving?
I was married, and when my husband left me and my daughter, so we shifted in. I talked to my father, and he told me to stay here in this house, and I'm staying in this house like 4 years now, and I'm struggling with my house. घर के जैसे ना, घर बहुत चूहे टीन ना, पानी आ जाए भीतर, और बेड पे, और लाइक जनता बरसे लेके पानी बहुत ख़राब हो जाए. हम लोग एक छोटा से खाली जगह रहा जो हम लोग करीब 3 जने में सुते थे वहाँ पे, और सब भीग जाए तो बहुत हार्ड रहता. फिर सफा करो, फिर लड़कन पड़े ना, तो हम कोई कारण हमारा लड़कन सब टाइम बोले, मम we have to look for a place to go and stay, or we have to go and rent somewhere. My elder one, she's telling me, we have to go and rent somewhere, but I don't have that much money to go and pay the rent.
Okay, Jennifer, if you look at the situation, some people say, okay, people should try to support themselves in different ways they can. Can you talk about how have you tried to support your family?
I'm facing a lot of problem in my sewing business because my house is really on top, and when the time it's rain, no custom. I don't have any customers, and my sewing I do I do sewing, but not that much, and I do I sell pulao, and yeah.
So you do your sewing, you
And
sell palau to make ends to meet for your family. So for a day, like you get up in the morning, of course, times are hard. How do you provide for your two daughters and yourself? Kunci sabere tumu उठ के groceries रेवे कि नहीं, fridge है कि नहीं, kunci, you know, how do you survive?
हम ऐसे सर्वाइव करे खातिर हम अपन कपड़ा थोड़ा मोड़ा सी लेता है सोशल वर्क से जो $80 जो वाउचर मिल जाए $50 वाउचर एंड $29 कैश और थोड़ा कपड़ा शॉर्ट सी के बेच लेता है या लेबर्स में और थोड़ा बिजनेस ले खाना ना बना के बेच लेता है ऐसे और बस लड़कन के स्कूल लाइक प्रॉपर से भेज दो सब चीज़ करके और खाली घर के खर्चा थोड़ा निकल जाए बस और जैसे कुछ अगर घर के मिलता बनाए या कुछ तो फाइनेंस हो जाता मिलता है सपोर्ट खाली अपन लड़कन के बेटर फ्यूचर खातिर उन लोग के अच्छा लाइफ के खातिर उन लोग स्ट्रगल नहीं करे उन लोग चले गए यहाँ रख पे तो हमें सब टाइम लोग के बोलता कि वीजा में नहीं चलो ना उन लोग के सब टाइम बोलता है दोनों में गुस्सा लगे भी हम ऊपर तुम चिल्लाए लगता है ऐसे बोल लगता है और चली घर के रेंट करे तो हमारे पास उतना नहीं है कि रेंट करें और घर बनाए के भी हम थोड़ा कुछ पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर दिया रहा अपन घर बनाए के स्टार्ट कर दिया रहा बट कोटेशन कराए तो घर के बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है ना तो
रूफ फ्लोर के कोटेशन कितना है टू गेट इट फिक्स्ड
आई थिंक
नहीं
1000 कुछ प्लस हाँ 1000 प्लस उला आगे लाए और 1000 प्लस इसके पीछे लाके ये लाके
ओके ओके आप बताता है कि एवरी डे अगर पानी बरसे when it starts raining it's hard for you to sleep on the mattress and because the rain is coming through the roof onto the bed all around the house the kitchen area so where do you sleep the three of you
जब पानी बरसे लगे एकदम हैवी रेन हो जाए सब कपड़ा सब रग सब हमारे खटिया सब चीज भीग जाए
राइट राउंड घर के
हाँ खाली एक छोटा स्पेस जहाँ पे अब बैठा है छोटा स्पेस हाँ उतना छोटा स्पेस में सिंगल बेड के मैट्रेस वहाँ ऊपर रहा तो हम वहाँ से यहाँ पे बिछा के हम तीनों जने गली में एडजस्ट कर रहे हैं और बाकी सब भीग जा रहा है तो ऐसे मुख्य लाइफ है
तो जो ढेर पानी बरसे वो रोज रात की ओर कम सुता जाए
हाँ
और लाइट स्विच एक को ऑन नहीं शुरू करे
ना ऑफ करो वो सब सुतो बिकॉज लाइट ऑन करेगा डर लगे कि कहीं लाइक आगे नहीं पकड़ ले घर में ना वो चीज़ डर लगे कहीं शॉक नहीं लग जाए लड़कन के हम में तो वही खातिर और फिर मशीन पे नहीं चला पाता बिकॉज प्रॉपर वायरिंग नहीं है घर में कुछ नहीं है तो डर लगे सब बगल तो पानी छुए तो बहुत बेड हो जाए
आप एक और चीज़ बता रहा कि आपकी कुछ मेडिकल कंडीशन है अगर इंग्लिश में सकता बताए थोड़ा कौन सी है आपके
हम I have a problem like problem नहीं sorry I have a medical condition I have psoriasis and I have psoriasis in my leg and my hand sometimes like doctor says when I get pressured and the thing triggered in my body तो हमें प्रेशर और हमें वो सब चीज़ लाइक टेंशन से दूर एक पड़ी बट लाइक टेंशन से कैसे दूर आई मीन अ टेंशन
How what happens when you have that medical condition?
It's ऐसे दही में always have like a blisters like chicken pox something like that always and it's sore and itchy sometimes.
So when you have that, can you sew?
No.
You can't sew.
Yeah, I can't sew.
So if
even
you
I
can't
can't
sew,
walk sometimes.
You can't walk because you have it here.
Yes.
So when you have that, you can't sew,
No.
and you said you don't have. That's one of the main ways to get money.
Yeah.
So what happens then when you can't sew, you can't get money?
Then all my savings, like I have to take it somewhere and adjust to keep my daughter and my kids.
So there's no way
No
you
way.
can fix the holes in the roof.
No.
No way you can fix the
Yes.
floor,
Yes.
because the only money you've got is for daily needs.
Yes.
Only for that.
Yes.
Food is enough? Do you have enough food in the house all the time for you
No.
and the children?
No.
So what would be the best food the children would be having? Christmas is coming up.
Um. I was hoping for. They always love the roast chicken and fries. Yeah. On that.
So you're saving up for that?
Yes.
Yeah. And for school next year?
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. I have my elder daughter. She is going in class year 13.
Year 9.
Year 9, sorry. Yeah. Year 9. So I have got her book list and her confirmation letter just yesterday. So I'll try my best to get her stuff. I don't know how, but yeah, I'll do the business. I was sorry. So I was doing the course there, training, and I finished my course, and like I'm selling the food there, like the chicken palau for every week. I think they'll take the order from me and they'll sell it somewhere. So yeah, that I will save some money from there and buy my kids book and stuff. And the uniform I always do their sewing. I always sew their uniform.
If you were to tell them what's your story and what you're going through based on what you've shown us, what you've told us, there'll be fathers watching, mothers watching, children watching, and you are sitting in this house. You want to bring your children back to this house for better living. What do you have to say to them?
Just that I want to tell people, just I need some help for my kids, for better future of my kids. I need some help to raise my kids up and to give them better life. हाँ मंत्र सबके बताए, रिक्वेस्ट करे कि हम कुछ हेल्प मांगता है अपन लड़कन के खातिर, उन लोगों के अच्छा फ्यूचर के लिए, बिकॉज उन लोगों के फादर तो लाइक नहीं करे, कुछ सपोर्ट नहीं करे, कुछ नहीं, एंड मेंटेनेंस भी नहीं कुछ मिले हमें या कुछ, तो हम खाली मांगता है अपन लड़कन के अच्छा लाइफ दे और उन लोगों के पढ़ाई आगे. बट ऐसा घर में जैसे इतना भारी पानी बरसे, सब खटिया में रहे हुए, हम रात के उठ के इवन हमारा डॉटर सुता रहे, उसके उठाए के मेरे शिफ्ट करे, उसके आधा नींद से मैं जगाए के उसके शिफ्ट करे पड़े, लड़कन भी चौक जाए नींद में रहे हुए. ऐसे मैं स्ट्रगल करता हूँ लाइफ.
Some people say you should try your best to do things on your own.
Yes.
You have to be strong. You know that you shouldn't give up.
Yes.
From your side, do you think you're trying your best? You're doing the best you can, and why have you काय आप ऊंची चाय के आज सोचा कि I have to ask for help?
because हम ट्राई करेंगे. फर्स्ट हम ट्राई करा, हम बोला कि हम कोई के हेल्प नहीं सपोर्ट नहीं बनता ना. देन हम ट्राई करा अपने से करेंगे, इन्वेस्ट करा थोड़ा पैसा, लाइक ब्लॉक लिया और सब ग्रेवल एंड सब सैंड बाय करा सब चीज़. देन उस सब चीज़ करके बाद में भी बीमारी हमारा सोराइसिस आई गया. देन हम नहीं कुछ कर पाया. अभी मैं काम भी एकदम स्लैक हो गए, तो वही कारण से I try my best to fix my house, to build a new house for my kids, but I spend some money to buy a block and road and gravel, sand, and
You tried to do it yourself.
yes,
Never
but
mind, you had very little money.
yes, but I couldn't. My house was like halfway, and yeah, I need some timber and stuff to do it, to make it. So now I don't have finance to build my house.
But you keep trying.
Yes.
Why?
To give my kids a better life, better house, proper house to stay and keep smiling on their face.